So tomorrow we have extreme high fire danger here in central Oklahoma. We had a bearing go out on our disc and we need to fix it because with high fire danger means we may very well need it in an emergency if any fires do start and or spread. So we are going to get that fixed so that we will have it at a moment's notice.
I think we have to let the disc raise it all the way up. Let me get it over under the bar. Then I think you got to raise the axle back up into it.
Good job, bud. 80 degrees. I'm thirsty too.